open up this Q&A. Your question will come from the one and only Mama Jonas Gafford.
Hello, good evening. Good evening po. Magandang gabi. Ito yung tanong ko. Medyo mahirap. Wait. Okay. Many young Filipinos today are choosing to work abroad. If your best friend told you he's leaving Santa Rosa for good, would you encourage him to stay or support him to go? Why?
Thank you so much for that question. I will encourage him to stay in Santa Rosa, not to hold his dream, but because our city is progressive, thriving, and full of opportunities for young people like him. Santa Rosa doesn't just offer jobs, it offers direction, growth, and dream for every youth. But more than the place you work, true success is not measured. True success is not measured by
Very well said. Thank you very much. You know, all 10. All right, before we move on to our next contender for tonight, I would like to request everyone, all our senses right over here, while we are listening to our Ginoons deliver their thoughts, kindly please avoid making unnecessary noise.
That's right. Let's keep that applause, the cheer, and drumming for after they are done answering. So we can respect their time here in front of everyone on this spectacular stage.
True enough. Answer? I'm just
That's not
kidding.
the answer yet, ladies and gentlemen. That was just his thank yous. Let's give them a chance to also pick a judge for tonight.
Samsonel, please pick your judge for this segment.
And you have picked Miss Krishna Gravides.
Hello po, magandang hapon, Santa Rosa Laguna. Thank you so much for having us and happy 20th edition of Ginoong Santa Rosa. Okay, this is your question. How do you define being a modern Filipino man in a city that is both traditional and progressive? Again, how do you define being a modern Filipino man in a city that is both traditional and progressive?
Lord, maraming salamat po sa magandang katanungan. Ang isang modernong lalaki sa tradisyonal ngunit progresibong lungsod ay may paggalang sa nakaraan, ngunit handang harapin ang hinaharap. Isang lalaking may prinsipyo, may paninindigan at handang maibagay sa nakapanahon. Higit sa lahat, naniniwala ako na ang tunay na modernong lalaki ay handang humarap sa hinaharap at handang manguna para sa maunlad na ngayon at para sa bukas na panahon. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much.
It was so beautiful the way he spoke Filipino. It sounded so poetic to me.
Yes. That's Book Samsonel Amhua. Now let's hear it from Malitlit Lorenzo Banyas.
Hello.
Again, let's hear the question from the beautiful Miss Krishna Gravides.
Hello, magandang hapon.
hello po.
Okay, here's your question. With AI and automation changing industries, what skill should every young man in Santa Rosa start developing today to remain relevant tomorrow? Again, with AI and automation changing industries, what skill should every young man in Santa Rosa start developing today to remain relevant tomorrow?
Thank you. With the AI and automation changing industry, the most important skill we must develop is adaptability. Technology can perform tasks, but it cannot replace character, creativity, and compassion. Santa Rosa is a city of growth and innovation. If we remain curious and committed to learning, we will not fear the future, we will shape it. Because in a world run by machines, it is a human heart will always live. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Lorenzo Banyas from Alitli.
Such a beautiful message, and in Pia's words, so timely and relevant.
Had goosebumps actually. Now let's move forward to Tagapo, Matthew Hernandez.
You know, number 8, well, and you have picked Mr. Sergio Azuaga.
Okay, magandang hapon, good afternoon. Okay, contestant number 8, here's your question. Mental health awareness is growing in the Philippines, yet many men still struggle in silence. How can Ginong Santa Rosa redefine strength among men in our city? Do you want me to repeat? Mental health awareness is growing in the Philippines, yet many men still struggle in silence. How can Ginong Santa Rosa redefine strength among men in our city?
I think we can redefine the strength of men here in Santa Rosa by showing empathy to one another. Because I believe that being men is a giving a sign of masculinity. But I am here showing in the front of you that masculinity doesn't define men. Indeed, we need to focus on something that we can give to our city, and we should focus on something we need. We should focus on something we need to familiarize in our city. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ginong 8, Matthew Hernandez from Tagapo.
Right in the nick of time as well. That was the first time we heard the bell tonight.
Yeah. Now let's move on to our next contender from Dila, Dan Alfonso Roque.
Hello there, Ginong number 3. You look dashing in that barong tonight. We also heard some trumpets there in the back. Baka naman you want to give them a shout out?
Magandang gabi po sa lahat at maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta. Patuloy niyo po kaming suportahan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. You know, I'm actually a fan of this woman. Let's hear it from the beautiful, belated happy birthday, Alexi Brooks.
Thank you. Good evening, Santa Rosa. Thank you for having us in here. Good evening, candidate number 3. So your question is, in a time when everyone wants to go viral, how do you remain valuable? Again, in a time when everyone wants to go viral, how do you remain valuable?
I think I can remain viral. I think I can remain valuable by. That's all. Good evening, everyone, and thank you.
Thank you very much. Ginong 3, Dan Alfonso Roque.
Privacy indeed is some sort of a privilege now in this digital age, wouldn't you say?
I agree with that. So you're being valuable, but of course, keeping something personal for yourself.
Let's hear it one more time from Alexi Brooks.
Good evening, candidate number 2. Your question is, if future Ross census ask what Ginoong Santa Rosa stood for in 2026, what should history say about you?
If people will remember Ginoong Santa Rosa 2026, I hope they remember someone who chose service over spotlight. Someone who used his platform to inspire discipline, respect, and unity among young men. Because what truly matters is the impact we leave in our community. Dahil ang corona ay pansamantala. Pero ang kabutihang loob ay panghabang buhay at tatatak talaga. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Ginoo 2, Matt Miguel Trigas from Sinalhan. I like that finishing line.
Let's hear it also one more time from the one and only Mr. Jonas Gafford.
Hello, magandang gabi. Your question is, oh, this is interesting. If you could erase one Filipino trait that holds us back, what would it be and why?
We Filipinos are very much sentimental, and sometimes these hold us back. While being a sentimental is not entirely wrong, but sometimes it prevents us from growing and learning. If I could have the chance, I would erase this trait. Because part of the progress is learning how to let go. And sometimes, letting go brings more peace in our lives. Rather than choosing to hold on. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ginoo 1, Hesles Americano from Labas. From our last Ginoo on the list, we have Cyrus Aaron Fortes from Tita.
Ginoo number 7, last but never the least, while you were listening to your co-candidates answer the question, what was going through your mind?
I'm just inspired today because my mom is actually at the hospital, so I'm here being thankful to all of the judges that I'm here to talk to.
We love someone who is super grateful. You deserve to be here. I hope that you believe in that. You may now pick the last piece of paper in the bowl. You may give it to Michael.
And of course, your question will come from the handsome John Lucas.
Good evening, Santa Rosa! Thank you so much mainit na pagtanggap sa amin lahat. Hello, brother. Ginoo, kamusta ka? Ginoo number 7.
I'm doing great po. Thank you so much.
Buti naman, congratulations. And before you answer this question, isipin mo mabuti yung mami mo. Sobrang proud na proud sa'yo ngayon yun. And we're praying na pag-uwi mo, maging super okay na siya. Okay, this is your question. If Santa Rosa were a trending hashtag today, what would it be and why? Isa pa? If Santa Rosa were a trending hashtag today, what would it be and why?
I think it should be hashtag rise with Santa Rosa because our city is not just growing, we are rising from being known as the Lion City of the South, from being the center of industry, innovation, and opportunity. Santa Rosa is making progress. So hashtag rise with Santa Rosa is not just a trend, it's a progress which proves by community, courage, and pride. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ginoo 7. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 8 question and answer portion. Let's give them a resounding applause.